Passing clouds tonight. Tomorrow morning, it looks like clouds thicken up, and then here comes this precipitation. So I think mainly rain along and south of 81, if you draw that as your sort of demarcation line here, and then north and northwest of 81, we could see some light snow to start before that changes over to rain. But temperatures at the surface should be above freezing, so I'm not concerned about accumulation on the roads. There could be a minor accumulation on the grass or the mulch, especially at elevation, but this is mainly going to be a rain event for most of us. You can see here on the predictor snowfall, most spots are just going to pick up a trace, that's in the gray, and then maybe some higher totals on the ridgetops through Mifflin, Juniata County. So what we're tracking is what starts as rain for most of us or starts as snow north and northwest of 81. That's going to be late Tuesday afternoon, ending Tuesday night. So we're going to watch the track of the storm, our road temperatures, the changeover time. Again, I don't think it's going to be a problem on the roads, but we could definitely see some snowflakes falling tomorrow as early as late afternoon, especially north and northwest of 81. So there's a look at the 10-day forecast. We have temperatures going down into the lower 40s at the end of the week.